Riley and I'm here with Mary, the creator of Mango Math. And in this video, we're going to be going over the Pre-Algebra crate, which covers middle school grades 6th through 8th.
Our pre-algebra kit comes with 25 lessons. They cover pre-algebra concepts that students need to master in order to get into algebra. They still cover the same concepts that go along with our Mango acronym, which are measurement, algebraic thinking, number sense, geometry, and odds and order. Each game is packaged in its individual kit for up to 4 students so that they can collaborate and communicate together. The kits can be copied, but you would have to find the supplies to go with each lesson.
Some of the skills covered in the Pre-Algebra Math kit are ratios, exponents, expressions, integers, and slope intercepts.
Triangle Techie has students creating triangles that are different types of triangles, such as equilateral, obtuse scalene, isosceles obtuse, and so on. They will spin the spinner, which coordinates with the different colored aim legs, and they'll create a triangle. So let's say I spun the yellow and I already had the purple and the red. So I'm going to add the yellow onto this triangle, and I'm going to determine what type of triangle I have. They can use the protractor to determine if their angle is an obtuse or a right or an acute. In this case, I see that I have 3 different sized legs or sides, and if I put my protractor on it, I see that my angle here is an obtuse angle, so I have created a scalene obtuse, and I would cover that on my board. So the players are trying to create each one of the different angles on their board. Primetime is a game that's similar to our game in 4th grade called tic-tac-toe, but in this case we're using exponents and working on prime factorization. Students will cover up 2 numbers down here and cover up the multiple of those 2 numbers. So they're going to multiply those 2 numbers and cover it up. So this is going to be 2 squared is 4 times 5 is 20, and they're going to cover up the 20 on their board. They're working to get 4 in a row. The next player can only move one of the 2 counters. So let's say they're trying to figure out what number they want to cover. So they can take this 2, they can only move one of the 2 counters, so they can take this off the 2 squared. And let's say they place it on top of the 5, which means 5 times 5, and they cover up the 25. They continue to play this game. As they get better at it, they get more strategic with it, and it's a great game to practice their exponents as well as their prime factorization. Get the Point works on slope intercept. Students will roll the 2 dice to get coordinates that they'll post on the grid. In this case I got 5, 5, so I'm going to go over 5 and up 5, and I'm going to do that 10 times to create 10 dots. Then students are to create a slope intercept that's going to create a line that's going to hopefully hit one of these dots. So let's say I did this slope right here. So I'm going to start on the 3. I'm going to go up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over 8, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to have my point right there. I'm going to line up my point with my 2 points. I'm going to create a line. And as you can see, I did not hit any of my dots. So the students will have opportunities to try to create a slope intercept to run through one of their dots on the grid. What's Your Sign has students creating an equation to determine if the answer is positive or negative. They'll roll a positive or negative dice, then they'll roll a number dice, then they'll roll an operation dice to see if they're multiplying, dividing, adding, or subtracting. So if you look at I've filled in this here, I have a negative 2, I have my operation dice, which was a addition, I have another sign, which is a positive 4, my operation is multiplication, then I have a positive 8. And if I figure this all out, I actually have a positive 16, so I'm going to go up 1 rung on my ladder.
That was just a quick overview of the Pre-Algebra Math kit. Be sure to play these games with students multiple times because the more they play the game, the better at the skills they will become. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please check out our other videos where you can get overviews on the other math kits and some helpful tips on teaching students math.